Hey guys, today I was out riding my bike as usual. I'm doing my first few rides of the season. It's been nice weather recently, and I noticed my dropper. It's not working. The seat's not going up and down when I press this button, so I thought I'd do a bit of maintenance and take you guys along with it. Alright, so the first step working on this is to take off the seat post. This is where I can access all the dropper stuff. So the air stuff maybe is still on air, so we're gonna try out that first. Alright, so up under here, you're gonna notice that there are 2 bolts, right there and right there. Those bolts are gonna be the bolts we need to take out. We're gonna take this handy dandy multi-tool, unsheath it, get the right bolt size, which is this middle guy, right here. We're gonna get all up under there, and then twist out these bolts. I've already loosened them a bit by hand, so I take them out by hand. Lose that bolt, and just like that, the seat post comes off like magic. Alright, looking inside of the seat post, you're gonna see this little cap. We're gonna take the cap, unscrew it. That cap right there. A bit of prying later, that cap comes off, revealing that air hose right there. Pull it out. This right here is a shock pump, and it has this handy screw that you go into there and you screw it in. You can tell it comes alive when that pressure equalizes like that. Now this arrow right here is pointing to the 50 psi mark. We want it to be about our body weight. I weigh about 130, so we want it up around there. So we just gotta pump this thing up until it gets to that 130 area, which is exactly where we want it. Nope, doesn't work. Something else is wrong. If it's not the air, what else can it be? My leading suspicion is it's a hydraulic fluid that goes into the bottom of this. So we gotta take out this entire tube. Luckily for us, that task is simple. It's just this one bolt right here. Loosening that bolt allows us to take out the seat post. And as you see, here's like a line that attaches from here up to the pump. And this is what we're gonna be looking at. Hydraulic fluid has a point right here on that bolt, all the way up here, right in that hole. RockShox has these syringes that screw right into where those bolts go, and we're gonna do that with some of the fluid that goes into there. Twist off the cap, and in she goes. Fuck, I missed. That's what she said. Don't be an idiot like me. Take off the safety cap. Now, put your fluid in there. A bada bing, bada boom. There you go. Next up is to screw those 2 in on either side. Ta-da! With both those in, we're gonna start the bleed. So we are going to push the air, because there's air stuck in here somewhere. Push the fluid through here, shoving the air bubbles out, hopefully through this side. It looks exactly like that. Fill up here, clean fluid through there, no errors in the system, and now the system is bled. It's not that hard, but you gotta be good with your hands. Both of these are now gonna come out. That's 1, that's 2. It's not a lot, but that much air is what caused that entire system to not work. The next step is kind of obvious. We're gonna put the screws back in. That's 1. That's 2. All right, now it's time to test out the system, see if it works. All right, At this point, I'm just lost for words. I don't know what's wrong with my bike. I just don't. I've inflated the system and I bled it, but no matter how many times I bleed it or I press it, it just squishes. Just squishes. Which makes absolutely no sense. Because I bled the system to the point where there's no air in it. If you guys have any suggestions, leave it in the comments below. I'm running out of time to work on this, so I'll catch you all in the next video.
Yeah, that happened. It's been a few days since that whole entire thing happened. I've been doing a bunch of research, but I've been in a loop of information. I've ordered some parts, so expect part 2 to be out sometime soon, but you can't have your success without failures, so I'm just taking that as one of those. It was 11:30. It was way too goddamn late for me to be doing this shit, so I'll see you all in the next one.
Alright, looking inside of this, fuck you.